Yes, people, so basically we're changing the battery in the fire alarm. So if you come to the side here, you will see a slot here that you insert a screwdriver. You insert a screwdriver and you get it open, right? Basically that's it. Slide out and that's it. And the battery is here. There's a 9-volt battery. Plug it off. That's the battery here. And you replace it with a new battery. Yeah, so basically this is a new battery here. So you make sure that it connects with the battery properly. Yeah. The big one on this side, small one on this side, go to the small one on this side, and the big side of the battery. Push it on. That's it. Back up. Line it back up there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Then click it until you hear a click. And that's it. That's how you change the fire alarm battery. Streetwise. Out.